this video I will show you how to fix Messenger notification not working on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications and click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Messenger from here. Click on Messenger app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache Messenger app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on Play Store app and click on this profile icon. Click on manage apps and search click on Messenger app. For example, this is Messenger app, so you will see app is update. After updating, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.